Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Start by opening Play Store and downloading app called Repos for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner of it. Select Share To, click on the Repost app and then go back to it. Click on one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Then tap on this square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Now click Allow, and when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!